Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about Swan on the Reformer. Swan on the Reformer, oh my gosh, it's one of the best places to do Swan. I really think so. It's so good. However, if you are not ready for this, know that you can do Swan on the ladder barrel, you can do Swan prep on the ladder barrel, you can do Swan on the floor. Like you can Swan anywhere. This is a bigger version and requires a lot more strength, length, and coordination. So don't worry if you're not there yet. As far as setup, I have 2 heavy springs in the middle, so I have a spot for my knees. My feet, I'm going to put on the front of my frame. I have seen people put the feet on the foot bar. Then the foot bar does move, and I don't really like that for myself. I'm really tall. This is an 80-inch Reformer, so I still put my feet on the frame. I've also seen people put their feet through the strap, so the strap is around their heels, back of their heels, and then their feet are on there. My feet are really big, and I don't have anyone to help me, so I don't really do that. But I'm going to put my heels together, toes apart, and my thighs on the box. I do use a pad so I don't slip. You can do your knees inside the frame, or you can do them outside the frame, right? It really depends on you. And then you place yourself in a spot that is good for you. So I've seen men especially go either a little higher up or a little lower down. Just depends on where they want to place themselves, literally. So this is a leg exercise. It's a seat exercise. So not just a back exercise. So you're going to use a lot of butt and hamstrings. I'm going to show you just one variation. It's a more simpler variation. It's very much just like doing it on your ladder barrel. You place your tailbone and reach it towards your heels. Then to come up, nothing moves. And I pick myself up and I'm trying to reach my tailbone down between my legs so that this can lift up, and the extension happens here in my upper back. Then I come down, I press myself out, and here I can lift up more, but this has to come up with me. So my stomach has to come up with me as I get longer, and then I drape back down. Again, inhale up, find extension in your upper back, lower yourself down, lengthen out, stand in your feet, lift your low belly, and use your arms connected to your back to get way more extension in your upper back, and then bend back in. It's kind of like you're rounding for rolling like a ball. Inhale, lift the low belly, find your hamstrings in your seat, come down, reach out, lift up, more extension in your upper back than you think. Stand in your feet, it's a 2-way stretch, and then pull yourself back down. Then step back, you can sit back, you can get rid of your pad, and usually you take a spring off and go into your pull straps. So try that variation out. When you're ready for the other variation, just put it in the comments below and I'll send you more choreography that you can do. But honestly, practicing that length and finding the arm connection to your back to get more extension in the upper back is really going to help your breaststroke. It's going to really prepare you for pulling straps. And I think it's really good. It's also clearly very cardiovascular. If you have any questions about this exercise, please put them in the comments below. And to enjoy more exercise with me, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.